Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a Glossybox unboxing, and I am so excited, you guys. This is my first Glossybox, and I cannot wait to dive in. So if you're unsure what Glossybox is, it is basically a monthly subscription box, but they do also have limited edition boxes, which is what this one is right here. This right here is their limited edition Summer Essentials box, and it is valued at over $140, which is insane. Also, speaking about money, Glossybox was super kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you want 22% off your first box, you can use my code Morgan. It'll also be in the description bar below, and you can go ahead and save some moolah. Who doesn't like that? Anyways, I think I've rambled on enough, so let's get into the box. I am so excited, you guys. I'm seriously like a big kid when it comes to subscription boxes. I just think they're the best, so I'm so excited. Okay, so I just opened mine terribly, but this is what it looks like on the inside when you first open it up. And this is the cutest little bag. Oh my gosh. It totally matches the vibe I'm going for today. Look at this. I love this color so much, you guys. Like this pale pink. Absolutely obsessed with it. So this is what the Summer Essentials bag looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited. Ooh, I see some goodies already. Oh my gosh. So here's a little sneak peek of what I'm seeing so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out this first thing on top here because this looks super exciting. So this is the first item in the box right here. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package. These look so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. So here is a little bit up close for you guys. So kind of like that cat eye style. And then it just comes with a little, what is this? Oh, it's a bag to keep the sunglasses in. That's really nice. Cute little color, very summery. So these are by the brand Velvet Trends. I am obsessed with these already. I love how they're black up top and then a little bit of the tortoiseshell on the bottom. I was actually looking for a new pair of sunglasses because I just recently got a new set of contacts with my like newer prescription. So I was on the hunt for a new pair of sunglasses. So I'm so excited about these, and these are definitely a summer essential. Let's be real here. We all need sunglasses in the summer, so definitely an essential. I'm not sure if you get a card with all the pricing on it or not, but I will go ahead and put the like original pricing of all the items up on the screen. Also guys, I keep saying this in like every single video, but my voice is still not back to normal, so if you hear it cutting in and out, I'm sorry. It's annoying me as well, trust me. But yeah, this is the first item right here. I'm obsessed with it already. Absolutely love it, and I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these. You know what, next we're just gonna go ahead and just stick our hand in here and pick at random. We got, what do we got here? Ooh, we got a Becca Cosmetics Liquid Crystal Lip Topper. Ooh, I don't think I've ever tried the brand Becca, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. That looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. Oh my goodness. So the box says a transformative lip topper infused with color shifting crystalline like pearls that optically enhance the lips to create an otherworldly lip glow. Suspended in a conditioning gloss formula, the combination of, what is that word? Kaleidoscopic? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. The combination of kaleidoscopic pearls shifts shades as it catches the light. And then it says for directions to apply directly to lips for an otherworldly glow, or layer on top of lipstick to create a high shine metamorphic finish. That sounds pretty cool to me. Let's go ahead and give it a sniff because you guys know me, I love to smell things. Ooh. To me, this smells exactly like sunscreen, and for me, I love that because I am just obsessed with the smell of sunscreen. If anybody else is like that, please let me know, but I love the smell of sunscreen, and that's what this smells like to me, so it's definitely giving me some summer vibes for sure, but this is gorgeous. Let's do a little swatch on my hand here. Probably did the worst swatch in the world, but that is what it looks like right there. I'm really excited to actually use this and give this a go. Like I said, I don't think I've ever tried Becca, but I believe they're kind of a pricier brand. I'm really glad I got like a gloss because I've been really into gloss lately. I know I'm wearing a matte lip right now, but I love gloss for the summer. We're gonna go ahead and blindly choose again. We've got the Arizona, what is this, a little perfume? It just says Arizona on it, and I believe it's a little like mini travel size perfume. Let's open it up and see. That is so cute, oh my gosh. So it is a tiny little perfume. Look at that. Oh, that's adorable. I cannot wait to put that on my makeup desk. Let's give her a sniff. Oh, this is bringing me back to like my teen days. I used to wear an Ed Hardy perfume that smelled exactly like this. That's crazy. I love it. It smells so good. It's pretty strong, like it's definitely not on the light side at all. This would actually be really awesome to put in your purse or like a beach bag. Since it is such a little mini guy, it would be perfect to just throw in there. I've never heard of this brand before, Arizona. Let me know if you guys have tried this out or heard of the brand, but I love their packaging. I think it's so cute. Honestly, even if I didn't like the smell of this, I would still love it because I think the bottle is just so freaking adorable. So far, that is the only mini that we got, and then we have the 2 full size. So let's see what else we have in here. Professional Extra Whitening System. Is this toothpaste? Is this whitening toothpaste? That is actually so cool. I've never received anything like this in a subscription box before. So this is what it looks like right there. I think this is by the brand Super Smile. I'm not exactly sure, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what it actually looks like. So you get 2 tubes here. So this one is the Professional Extra Whitening Toothpaste. And then this one is the Professional Extra Whitening Accelerator. So it is like a 2-step system you use. So that's what the first one looks like right there. This is the accelerator. Okay, so it says all-in-one instant results after first brushing, highest concentration of Calprox technology, no sensitivity, exceptional whitening, fights cavities with fluoride, promotes gum health, gentle safe results, inhibits plaque, works on all dental restorations, and freshens breath. So that's actually really good because I do have very sensitive teeth. So for me, when I do get whitening products, a lot of the time they really bother my teeth. It says that this does 9 shades whiter teeth. If that's true and that actually works, I'm gonna be like over the moon because I love some good pearly whites. It also says that it's mint flavor, so of course I want to smell it. Duh. Ooh, very minty, yeah. I'm just reading the back here because I'm still trying to figure out like which one to use first. But from what I'm gathering, I think you actually use these at the same time. So you do like 1 drop of this on your toothbrush and then another, you know, drop of this one. I would Google it before you take any instructions from me. I'm actually super excited to use these though. Like I said, I was not expecting to get something like this in a subscription box, but I'm actually glad that they put this in there because it's definitely a useful item. Like you always need toothpaste, so very excited about these. Moving on, let's go ahead and grab, what do we got here? We have a Wave and Shine spray from the brand Orb. I'm assuming that this is for your hair. So that is what it looks like right there. Not sure if I'm pronouncing this brand right. So it says shake, spray on wet or dry hair, tousle to taste, and let dry in, what? Okay, let dry in the Saint Tropez air, follow with lipstick and heels. Okay, I was a little bit confused about that last part, but I get it now. Should we just give it a little spritz and smell? So let's try it. Oh, Lord. Oh my gosh, it scared me. Ooh, oh, I love that. That smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I really wish that cameras had smell-o-vision because I would just be, you know, letting you sniff away right now, but this smells so good. It just kind of smells like summertime, if that makes any sense. Like I'm getting a little bit of coconut, a little bit like fruity as well, but it just smells so good. I'm actually really excited to give this a go though, because I honestly don't really own too many like sprays for my hair. And I think this would be really nice if you had curly hair and you just spray this in a little bit, gave it a little bit more of a shine. I just think that would look really nice. We are reaching it again. I feel really big box. What is this? Oh, this is a little hairbrush. I was like, what is this? So this is the Tangle Teaser Detangling Hairbrush for fine, color-treated, and distressed hair. I don't really have fine hair, but I definitely do have the last 2, color-treated and distressed. Yeah. So it says with this brush, you will get 5 times less hair breakage. Okay, I don't even remember if I showed you guys the box. I guess that's just how excited I am for opening these things, but this is what the box looks like right there, and that is what the brush looks like there. It's actually super pretty. So you have the mint green and then the really nice lilac color, which I've been loving lately. Might as well try it out, guys. It actually feels like it's making my hair really soft. Again, I think this is another product that would be awesome just to like chuck in your purse or a beach bag. I think we all know what it's like to have that like salty, crunchy beach hair, so I think this would be perfect for that. Like it says on the box, it is for like color treated hair, damaged, distressed, and my hair is all of those things. So if this can help me out a little bit, I will definitely be using it. The bag is feeling a little bit light, guys. I think we are nearing the end. So this is the Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. So that is what it looks like. It says all-purpose skin cream, 100% natural balm with honey and olive oil to hydrate and nourish lips, face, and body. Oh, so you can actually use this on your lips too. That's cool. Not really smelling anything. Like if there is any scent at all, it's very, very light. I kind of expected it to smell like honey, but I'm not really smelling anything. So that's what the balm looks like. It's super soft. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Definitely more like oily than it is creamy. So I would say if you are somebody that doesn't like oil-based lotions and balms and stuff like this, probably isn't your best bet, but I think it's really nice. It feels super like moisturizing on the skin. I think this is gonna be awesome for your lips. Stuff like this usually works really well for like any chapped areas. This honestly might become my new lip balm. Unfortunately, we have reached the end. This is the last product in the bag, and it is the Skin Glow London Glow Mask Eye Mask. Turmeric and vitamin C to combat dark circles and discoloration. Hyaluronic acid delivers deep hydration for fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm really excited about this because I have the worst dark circles. Like, they're so bad. And that is what it looks like right there. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to see with the glare, but super pretty packaging. So it says, say goodbye to tired eyes with our ultimate under eye mask to help fight darkness and discoloration. Our hydrogel masks are designed to ensure the delicate under eye area is perfectly hydrated and brightened. I'm assuming that this is only one pair, so like a one-use thing, because it really doesn't feel thick at all, and I don't really want to open it because I don't want them to dry out, but I believe that this is only a like single pack. I gotta say though, I love stuff like this. I just find it so relaxing, and I love having like little spa nights to myself, so stuff like this really comes in handy, and I will definitely be using this soon, and hopefully it gets rid of some of these dark circles because I would love that. So that was everything that came in the limited edition Summer Essentials box. Like I was talking about earlier with the pricing, there is unfortunately no card to tell me what each item is worth, but that's just something I'll have to look up afterwards because I'm somebody, when it comes to subscription boxes, I like to know what each item is worth. I gotta say though, I really do like the assortment of items that came in this box. I really do feel like each item is a summer essential, and I mean, I definitely will be using each item for sure. And I don't know if this is just me, let me know if you're the same way as well, but I love when subscription boxes come with bags that you can actually use. What I will say though is that I do wish some of the items were a bigger size, you know, as far as the toothpaste go and the balm, they are pretty mini, but on the, you know, opposite side of that, they are kind of perfect to just chuck in your purse or your beach bag. So I kind of understand it, but at the same time, I'm like, I wish they were a little bit bigger. Obviously, I haven't fully used all these products or given them good use, but I gotta say, I think my favorite item right now is definitely the sunglasses. I mean, these are just so cute. How could you not love these? I am obsessed. But anyways, that is it for today's Glossybox unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to go check them out, check out their boxes, you know, give one a go. You can use my code Morgan for 22% off. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram. It is always linked down below. I'm always posting on there, so if you want to keep up with me, definitely go check that out. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!